told your friend you're not okay.
Guess what? Porridge is done and it came out exactly the way I expected it. It tastes so lemony and sugar at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Missing someone.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything?
I woke up craving porridge. I have some maize flour in the house. That's what I'm going to use to make porridge. I've also bought lemon for the porridge. Saki. I'm craving porridge. I'm just going to stir this. Let me cook it here, and then here we're going to make beans. We'll make beans with this, so let me just place it here. And here's this. So I'm going to put this on the stove, of course, because where else did I put it? I'm tired. I'm waiting for my water to boil, so that when I put this in, it will do like this easily. I'm just going to show you. First, I'm going to put only one side, so that this other side, if I feel it's not enough, I can add it in my cup. And I need to buy those lemon things, the one that is used to press and remove lemon. I need to buy that for myself. And my water has already boiled. Guess what? Porridge is done and it came out exactly the way I expected it. It tastes so lemony and sugar at the same time, and I don't need to add any sugar or lemon. It just came out perfect. I'm going to just remove it, serve it. I was really craving this. Let me just show you the perfection that is my porridge. Let me just show it to you. I like it, I love it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
I'm happy, but the porridge is still hot. But I'm just happy that in this cold weather I get to drink porridge. I have to do this, because if I don't and try and drink this porridge like that, well, and the way porridge burns, it will burn your lip vibaya. Rinse, mash, cook, onions, spring onions. So, first of all, let me take a selfie.
told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.